Kids with David Aldridge.
Today's video is learning how to play Old MacDonald Had a Farm Guitar Chords. Let's make sure you have your guitar ready. And remember to listen carefully and follow along with me. And we are marching along today. In this tutorial, we keep coming back to your joy and happiness. You have what it takes to reach your dreams. Here are your learning steps. Step 1. There are 3 chords to learn today. G, C, and D. Step 2. We'll learn the strumming pattern. And step 3, we'll piece the song and strumming together to complete the whole song. So the first chord to Old MacDonald is G. So we're going to place our 3rd finger on string 1, our 2nd finger on string 6, and our 1st finger on string 5. So we have a G. Okay, the 2nd chord is a C. So we're going to place our 3rd finger on string 5, our 2nd finger on string 4, and the 1st finger on string 2. C, and we're making sure we're strumming from string 5. Okay, the 3rd chord is D. So we're going to place the 3rd finger on string 2, the 1st finger on string 3, and then the 2nd finger on string 1. And just making sure we're strumming from string 4. There we go, those are the 3 chords. So if you need to pause this video and practice those, then please do. And then come and join me in step 2, where we're going to learn the strum pattern. See you there.
Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Start in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Start in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine! Hooray!
Okay, so in step 2, we're going to learn how to strum the chords. So we're going to start with G, and we're going to play a rhythm of down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, let's try that again. The main strumming pattern throughout the song, when we have 1 chord in the bar like this. So when we have 2 chords in the bar, like you can see here, we have C and G, and also G and D, we're going to do 2 down strums on each of those chords. So it would be 2 down strums on the C, 2 down strums on the G, and then 2 down strums on G, and then 2 down strums on D, and then when we go back to having 1 chord in the bar, then we go back to this rhythm. So as you're learning this song, just be mindful to notice if there's one chord in a bar or there's two. Okay, pause the video, practice this, and then in step 3, we're going to piece it all together. I'm going to play it slowly, and you can follow along. Okay, see you there. Okay, welcome to step 3. I'm going to play this song slowly for you and play along if you can, but it's okay if you can't play along yet, if you're not up to speed, but see if you can follow the music. Okay, here we go. Okay, well done. And that's step 3. So make sure you practice along and work at your chord changes. Okay, let's integrate these little wins into your life. What were they today? Remember, confidence comes from practicing regular. When you are confident, you tend to be a great learner. If you are really confident, we take on greater challenges.
When you know better, you do better. Always follow your heart and believe in yourself. You can do this! Woohoo!